Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things, but for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss you how to fix Tesla heater not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Tesla heater here is not working, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first thing that you could try here is you may want to try rebooting your Tesla. So sometimes the issue is just a glitch here. So a lot of Tesla Model S users have said or specified that before that when their heater stop working, a reboot actually fix it. So in this case, you just need to reboot your Tesla by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns off and the Tesla logo appears. Now wait for the system to restart and then check the heater again. And this alone solves a lot, or solves this issue for a lot of people. But just in case this does not solve your issue, you can actually test the vents. Now, if the heater is still not working here, but air is flowing out of the out without heat, well, in this case, you may want to set the temperature to maximum and change the airflow to come from the front vents, the ones facing your body. Now set the fan speed to a lower setting here and check if any warm air is coming out from the middle vents. Now if it is, your system might just be struggling with distribution or a minor software hiccup. Now, if none of this actually solves the issue, the best and final thing that you may want to do here is you may want to reach out to Tesla's customer support and see if what they could do for you. So they can connect you to a professional that can actually get this fix. Remember, only get this fix on official channels. So if someone is not familiar with how Tesla actually work, this can actually break your Tesla. So just make sure they are authorized on performing fixes. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.